Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today my video is about how to remove paint spots that are collected on your car. This type of paint spots happen, suppose you have parked in a location where some painting work is going on, and due to wind deflection there are some paint overspray over your car body. Now I will show you the process how to remove them. One process is that if the paint is a new one, you can easily remove it with the help of a turpentine oil, even some kerosene oil, because this type of paints are normally the household paints. But if you have been careless and haven't seen that this type of paints spots have collected on your car, you need some different process, because as you see this paint has become quite sticky. Not only sticky, it has got settled on the car body and it cannot be removed with the help of turpentine oil or anything like that. Now one process is that with the help of a fine blade you can use that, but that is very risky because you may damage the lower inner car paint. So I will show you an very simple and easy process with which you can do it. ऐसे ही बाहर का जो हाउस होल्ड वाली पेंट है वो गाड़ी में शायद गिर गया, काफ़ी जगह में गिर गया मेरा, तो ऐसा पेंट को आप रिमूव करने सकते हैं इस इजी प्रोसेस से. ये प्रोसेस आपको दिखाएंगे आप कैसे करेंगे. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैंने तो निकाल लिया था, लेकिन ये काफ़ी स्टबर्नली बैठ गया, तो इसको निकालने के लिए कुछ प्रोसेस चाहिए. For this I will be using a 2500 grit paper and also a 2000 grit paper. If it is an older one, it's better because it will be lighter, because I will be requiring some light strokes to remove them, and then finally I will buff it off, polish that area and blend with the original paint. So let me show you how to do it. First I will lubricate this area with some shampoo water and apply this particular sandpaper 2500 grit with very light strokes. बहुत संभाल के करना होगा क्योंकि अंदर वाली पेंट को आपको कुछ नुकसान ना पहुँचे. तो देखिए ये निकल गया आराम से. तो जिस जगह में आपका पेंट निकल जाएगा वो थोड़ा हेज़ी बन जाएगा, उसके लिए कोई चिंता की कारण नहीं है. हम उसको फिर पॉलिश करके ऐसे ही ग्लॉसी बना देंगे. सो लेट्स ट्राई द अनदर वन. थोड़ा सा शैम्पू वाटर ले लीजिए क्योंकि लुब्रिकेशन रहे, सो द प्लेस रिमेन्स लुब्रिकेटेड. ओल्ड सैंड पेपर विल बी अ बेटर proposition as it will be less abrasive. Some of the paints have been stubborn, so it's taking some time to remove them. Always try to do it as early as possible. So these have been removed also. The place has become hazy. I will blend that with the help of a polishing compound and polish. Pinpoint to that particular area only. Otherwise you have to polish a larger area, that will be painful for you. फिज़िकल वर्क विल इंक्रीज. में वो पेंट है उसी को ही आप थोड़ा रब कीजिए और बहुत हल्की सी प्रेशर डालिए. हो गया, वो भी निकल गए. देयर आर सम ऑल्सो इन द बॉनेट एरिया ऑल्सो. सो इट्स नो मोर. ऑल दीज आर क्रिएटिंग सम हेजी स्पॉट्स सिंस द outer layer has been removed in this process. Remember to try to do it as quick as possible, then it will be, you can easily understand the difference. Here the paint has been peeled off little bit, not actually peeled off, I have removed the outer polished layer. This was some black paint. Okay, so all these areas have been removed. Now I will go to the roof area. There's plenty in the roof. रूफ में भी काफ़ी जगह में आ गया. So this area I have removed all the paint spots. Yes. Now I will clean the entire bonnet with the help of a moist cloth before applying the polish, so there are no traces of any dirt or anything like that. Some ultimate polish to bring back the glaze. This is the same polish I am using, very useful. First I will apply to those areas and finally blend with the entire bonnet. Rest of the car I will apply only those areas, not the entire area, since the bonnet needs to be blended, otherwise it will look bad and there are more spots over here. That's why I will apply the entire bonnet, and in case of roof also I will do the entire roof. I am doing the entire roof, and rest of the body I will do where the places I have removed the paint, because roof needs to blend properly. I have blended the entire area with the help of polishing compound. Now I will apply some wax to give it a protection. It should be a standard practice to apply wax always, so that your paint gets protection, because this is the paint without any protection at this moment. In to and fro motion. Use a separate cloth to buff the wax, and you have to do it fast, otherwise wax will stick to the body and it will be difficult for you to buff. You can see I am using different type of cloths for different type of uses. So the entire bonnet area has been waxed, polished, and now it's ready, and you can see not a single trace of those paint spots are visible. So I will now cover the roof area and then the entire car, then I will show you the result. Really exhausted, after polishing and waxing the entire car. So all the spots have been removed, and after that I have applied some ultimate polish, and then I have applied wax for protection. Even you can see the entire roof, all the paint spots have been removed effectively. So not only that, I gave a light waxing for the entire car, so that the entire car blends properly with the original paint, and you can see the luster and gloss it's showing. ऐसे ही हम पूरा गाड़ी को एक बार लाइट वॉक्सिंग कर दिया, क्योंकि ये पूरा पेंट के साथ अच्छा से ब्लेंड कर जाए, तो इसलिए मैंने पूरा गाड़ी में ही वॉक्सिंग कर दिया. पहले मैंने सोचा था पूरा गाड़ी को नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन देखने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, तो इसलिए पूरा गाड़ी को मैंने वॉक्सिंग कर दिया. और ऐसे ही आप देखिए कोई भी पेंट का स्पॉट अभी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. इनफैक्ट रियली एग्जॉस्टेड आफ्टर डूइंग दिस जॉब. काफ़ी थक गया, क्योंकि काफ़ी फिज़िकल वर्क है ये काम पे. ये काम आप डिटेलर से भी करा सकते हैं, बट आई फील यू कैन ईजिली डू इट एट होम. And if you find the video useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any comments or any questions regarding this procedure, I am always ready to answer your questions. So if you like the video, please do subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.